geometry. In this video, we are going to get the introduction of the chapter. Now, the name says practical geometry. That means we have to construct the given figures which we have given the instructions. So, we are going to construct some unique quadrilaterals in this chapter. So, start with the cases we can have. So, first of all, the first case we can have when four sides and one diagonal is given. This is the first case we'll have. Now comes to the second one. Now in the second case, when we are having two diagonals and three sides. So I'm going to write here, when we'll have two diagonals and three sides. This is the case 2 we can have. Now comes to the case 3 which we can have. In the case 3, we'll have the three sides and the two included angles. So, I'm going to write here. Now comes to the third one. The third case we can have. The third case we can have is the when two adjacent sides when we can have two adjacent sides and three angles. This is the case 3 we can have. Now comes to the fourth one. In the fourth case, we'll have three sides and two included angles. So I'm going to write here, when we'll have three sides and two included angles are given. This is the part 4, or you can say case 4 we can have. Now comes to the fifth one, when the other special properties are given. When other special properties are given. So we'll have these 5 cases. With the help of them, we are going to do the construction. So start with the case 1. Start with the case 1. In the case 1, we'll have when the lengths of 4 sides and one diagonal are given. This is the first case we'll have. Now let's take the example. So we are going to take the example. So we'll have the quadrilateral PQRS. In this one, PQ we are having as 4 cm, QR we are having as 6 cm, RS we'll have as 5 cm, and PS we'll have as the 5.5 cm, and PR is the 7 cm we'll have. So, suppose this is the PQRS quadrilateral we are having. Now, in this one, we have given that PQ. So, I'm going to first of all name this one PQRS. Now, PQ we are having as 4 cm, QR we are having as 6 cm. Now, RS, this one we'll have as the 5 cm, and PS, this one will have 5.5 cm. Now PR, this one, this diagonal, we are having as the 7 cm. Now this is the rough sketch we are having of the given figure. Now we are going to construct this one. First of all, we are going to take PR as the base. This one will have as the 7 cm. So this is the P and this is the R. This is the diagonal we are going to take as the base. Now we are going to take the point S. Now we will have PS as the 5.5 cm. So we are going to take 5.5 cm on the compass and we are going to put the arc with the measurement of 5.5 centimeter. Now we are going to take RS as the 5 centimeter. So we are going to take the measurement of 5 centimeter in the compass, and as the R center we are going to draw an arc. Now where both arcs intersecting each other, this is the point S we are having. Now we are going to join this one with the P and the R. Now this one we are having as the 5 centimeter and this one we are having as the 5.5 centimeter. Now we have to draw this point Q. So for this one we are going to take 4 centimeter on the compass and going to draw an arc P as the center. Now we have to draw this. If this is the point Q, then we have to draw Q, R. This is the 6 centimeter. So R as the center, we are going to take 6 centimeter on the compass and we are going to put an arc. So this is the point where both the arcs intersect each other. This is the point Q. Now we are going to join this P with the Q and R with the Q. Now this is the construction we are having. We have this PQRS quadrilateral with the given measurements. Now we have to write the steps also in the construction the way we have drawn it. So we will write the construction steps also in the construction questions. So this is the case 1, in which one we are having 4 sides and the 1 diagonal. Now comes to the case 2. Now comes to the case 2. In the case 2, we'll have when 2 diagonals and 3 sides are given. This will be the case 2 we have. Now we are going to take the example. So we'll have the example ABCD is a quadrilateral in which we have given BC is equal to the 4.5 centimeter, AD is equal to the 5.5 centimeter, CD we have as the 5 centimeter and diagonal AC is equal to the 5.5 centimeter and BD is equal to the 7 centimeters. First of all, I am going to draw the rough sketch of the quadrilateral ABCD. Suppose this is the ABCD quadrilateral we are having. In this one, BC we are having 4.5 centimeter, AD this one we are having 5.5 centimeter, CD this one we are having 5 centimeter and the diagonal AC this one we have 5.5 centimeter and the another diagonal BD this one we are having as the 7 centimeter. Now this is the rough sketch of the figure we are having. Now we are going to construct this one. First of all, I am going to take this AC as the base. So this is the AC line segment we are having as the 5.5 centimeters. Then we have to take D point here and the B point on the downward side. So we are going to take AD, this is the point D. So we are going to take AD as the 5.5 centimeter. For this one, we are going to take 5.5 centimeter on the compass and we are going to draw an arc. So suppose this is the arc we have. Now this is the point D. So CD will have the 5 centimeter. Now we are going to take 5 centimeter on the compass and C as the center we are going to draw one more arc. Now the intersecting point will be the point D. Now we are going to join this one with B and C. So this is the point D we are having. So we have taken this one as the 5.5 centimeter and this one as the 5 centimeter. Now at the downward side we have the point B. For this one we are having CB. So we are going to take CB as 4.5 centimeter. So we are going to take 4.5 centimeter on the compass and C as the center we are going to draw an arc. Suppose I have drawn the arc here. This is the arc we are having. Now we are not having A, B. So we are having BD. This one we are having as the 7 centimeter. Now we are going to take 7 centimeter on the compass and D as the center we are going to draw an arc on the downward side. Where both arcs intersect each other, this is the point B we are having. Now we are going to join this one with the B, A, B and B, C and the B, D. This one we are having as the 7 centimeter and this one 4.5 centimeter. So this is the construction when we are having 2 diagonals and 3 sides. This is the case 2. Now comes to the case 3. Now comes to the case 3. So the case 3 will have when 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles are given. This is the case 3 we have. Let's take the example. So in the example we have the quadrilateral MIST. In this one MI we are having as the 3.5 centimeter. IS we will have as 6.5 centimeter. Angle M we will have as the 75 degree. Angle I we have 105 degree. And angle S we have 120 degree. So this is the measurement we are having. First of all, we are going to draw the rough sketch. So I am going to draw the rough sketch. First of all, I am going to take IS. This is the IS we will have as the 6.5 centimeter. Now angle S we are having 120 degree. So this is the 120 degree. So this is the I, this is the S, then this point will be the point T. So the angle I we are having 105 degree. So we are going to draw this one. This is the 105 degree. Now this is the point M. And the angle M we are having as the 75 degree. So I am going to draw this one. This is the 75 degree we are having. And we have MI as the 3.5 centimeter. This one from here to here. So this is the rough sketch we are having of the given quadrilateral MIST. So first of all, this is the rough sketch of the figure. Now we are going to draw the fair sketch. So first of all, we are going to take the base MI as 3.5 centimeter. This one. So this is the 3.5 centimeter we are having. Why I am taking this as the base? Because we are having 2 angles on the base. So this is the MI we are having. We can draw both the angles on the base. Now angle M is 75 degree. So this is the 75 degree. We are going to draw with the help of the D. Now comes to the point. This is the M and this is the I. This is the point I we are having. So we have to draw the angle of 105. We are going to draw the angle of 105 with the help of the D. So this is the angle 105 degree we are having. Now this is the M, this is the I, so this point will be the S. So the IS we are having as the 6.5 centimeter. This one IS we are having as the 6.5 centimeter. So we are going to take 6.5 measurement on the compass and we are going to draw an arc. Suppose this is the arc I am drawing here. So this is the 6.5 centimeter we are having and this is the point S. Now we are having angle 120 degree at the point S. Now with this one as the point we are going to draw the angle of 120 degree. Suppose this one we have drawn with the help of D. So this is the 120 degree. Now we are going to extend this one and join this one. So this is the MIS and this is the point T will have. So this is the construction we are having of the quadrilateral MIST when we are having 2 adjacent sides and the 3 angles. This is the case 3. Now comes to the case 4. Now we are going to take the case 4. In the case 4, when we are having 3 sides and 2 included angles. are given. This is the case 4 we have. Now we are going to take an example. Let's take the example. ABCD is a quadrilateral we are having. In this one, AB we are having as the 4 centimeter, BC we are having as the 5 centimeter, CD we are having as 6.5 centimeter, angle B we are having as 105 degree, and the angle C we are having as the 80 degree. So this is the measurements we are having. We are having 3 sides and 2 included angles. So first of all, we are going to draw the rough sketch. First of all, we are having 2 angles, angle B and angle C. So I am going to take BC as the base. So I can draw angle B and C on the base. So this is the BC we are having as 5 centimeter. Now we are going to draw the angle B as 105 and C as the 80. So this is the 80 degree and this is the 105 degree we are having. So this is the B, this is the C. So this will be the point D and this is the A. So this is the A and B. Now we are having AB, this one as the 4 centimeter, BC as the base and CD as 6.5 centimeter. So this is the rough sketch we are having of the figure. Now we are going to construct the figure. So I am going to take BC as the base, this one as 5 centimeter. Now we are going to draw the angle 105 degree at the point B with the help of D. Suppose this is the angle 105 degree we are having. Now AB we are having as the 4 centimeter. So we are going to take 4 centimeter on the compass and B as the center we are going to put an arc. So this is the 4 centimeter from here to here. This is the point A we are having. Now we will draw the angle of 80 degree at the point C. This is we are going to draw with the help of D. Suppose this is the angle we are having 80 degree. Now we have the measurement of CD as 6.5 centimeter. So we are going to take 6.5 centimeter measurement on the compass and C as the center we are going to put an arc. Suppose this is the arc of the 6.5 centimeter we are having. This is the point D and this is the point A. We are going to join this one here. So this one will have 6.5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. This one is 4 centimeter. This is the angle 105 degree and this is the 80 degree. So this is the construction when we are having 3 sides and 2 included angles. This is the case 4. Now comes to the case 5. Now comes to the case 5. In the case 5 we have some special cases. So we are going to take the example. So in this one we are going to draw, this is the special case, draw a square of side 4.5 centimeter. So we can draw it. This one we can draw 4.5 centimeter. 4 sides we will have. This one. For that one we will check the angles are of the 90 degree. These are the special case. This is the first one and this type of special cases we can have. In this one we use 5 measurements in our work. This is the special case, case 5. So with this one we have completed the introduction of the chapter. In the next video we are going to start with the exercise 4.1.